Hello, everybody. Today, I will show a video how to make aluminum mold, metal mold, or resin mold based on different clients' requirements for carbon project. Now, let's share the video. This is the 5 axis or 3 axis CNC machines from Jcsportline. There are many advantages to implementing 5 axis machine or 3 axis machine for making molds, which is already widely used in the industry products. But Jcsportline made a special development for using this machine with the resin or metal molds. Now, it is widely used for the carbon turning or OE products in Jcsportline factory. Because of this specially technical in Jcsportline. So in the past 3 years, Jcsportline have helped automotive consulting experts in the OE market to get deep network within the decision makers at the OEMs and Taiwan Type 2 in the automotive OE market to import carbon products. If you have received many RFQs from OEMs Taiwan Type 2 with carbon projects in the past, and looking for expanding supply base for exterior interior parts made out of China, made out of carbon. Jcsportline will be a good choice, and the core concern is to find a reliable manufacturing. Which can control quality, capacity, technology innovation with rich experience on the OE market. Contact with us. We will provide you full set carbon project strategy and carbon project solution. This is Sandy, the co-founder and CEO from Jcsportline. Thank you very much.